Hello everyone, so this is the session number 12, that is the advances in food analysis, that is the overview of FTIR spectroscopy. This is the session number 13 and this is the overview of FTIR spectroscopy. Okay, so FTIR stands for Fourier Transform Infrared Spectroscopy, that is a preferred method of infrared spectroscopy. In infrared spectroscopy, the IR radiation is passed through a sample. Some of the infrared radiation is absorbed by the sample and some of it is passed through, that is transmitted. The resulting spectrum represent the molecular absorption and transmission, creating a molecular fingerprint of the same. Like a fingerprint, no two unique molecular structures produce the same infrared spectrum. This makes infrared spectroscopy useful for several types of analysis. What information can FTIR provide? It can identify unknown materials. It can determine the quality of or consistency of a sample. It can determine the amount of components in a mixture. Why infrared spectroscopy? Infrared spectroscopy has been a workhorse technique for materials analysis in a laboratory for over 70 years. An infrared spectrum represents a fingerprint of a sample with absorption peaks which corresponds to the frequencies of vibration between the bonds of the atoms making up the material. Because each different material is a unique combination of atoms, no two compounds produce the exact same infrared spectrum. Therefore, infrared spectroscopy can result in a positive identification of every different kinds of material. In addition, the size of the peaks in the spectrum is a direct indication of the amount of materials present. With modern software algorithms, infrared is an excellent tool for quantitative analysis. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy is preferred over dispersive or filter methods of infrared spectroscopy for several reasons which are listed below. It is a non-destructive technique. It provides a precise measurement method which requires no external calibration. It can increase speed collective scan every second. It can increase sensitivity. 1 second scans can be co-added together to ratio out random noise. It has greater optical through output. It is mechanically simple with only one moving part. The Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy was developed in order to overcome the limitations encountered with dispersive instruments. The main difficulty was a slow scan process, a method of measuring all the infrared frequencies simultaneously rather than individually was needed. A solution was developed which employed a very simple optical device called as interferometer. The interferometer produces a unique type of signal which has all the infrared frequencies encoded into it. The signal can be measured very quickly, usually on the order of 1 second or so. Thus, the time element per sample is reduced to a matter of a few seconds rather than several minutes. So, this is the infrared instrument, FTIR instrumentation, which is a spectrometer. The source passes through the interferometer and then it passes through the interferogram and then a computer, and then we can see a complete spectrum. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.